extremely beneficial for us to target your inner thighs and also do some simple mobility drills for our thoracic spine, the middle part of our spine. Let me jump into it. So right now I'm in a tall kneeling position. So my shoulders are directly above my hips and my hips are directly above my knees. I'll show you different angles. I'm gonna try to do this under 2 minutes. So notice my leg is out to the side, and from here, I'm gonna place my hands on the floor and I'm just gonna rock forward and back, forward and back. My starting position is tall kneeling, and the only difference is I'm just leaning back and coming back up. You can explore the movement by turning your foot up. You can also do this from this position where I sit back, but I want you to explore the movement, as you can see. So that's part one. Do that like 5 to 10 times, gentle, and don't work through any pain or discomfort. The next one I'm going to show you is basically leg out to the side. So this is a short lever, same area. I'm going to lean gently and then come back. So once again, I have that tall kneeling. I'm not bending. I'm gently pushing my weight this way. And you can explore the movement by bringing your foot out more, but you should generally start with your foot underneath your knee. My chest is forward. Here's another one for your thoracic spine. I'm half kneeling. My hands go up as if I'm holding a soccer ball over my head or slightly behind. Watch my hand, right hand, down, 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 down. Oof, exhale. And guess what I'm targeting there? My thoracic spine, side view. Got that soccer ball, turn. Exhale, 3, 2, 1, about a 1 to 2 second hold. So I would do that for both sides. Let me know what you think. Post your comments and I'm here to be of service.